Any other new products that you want to talk about and go over the features?
One of our other additions to our Flow Connections group is our ACL product line, which is part of our food and bev and pharmaceutical division. We offer Tri-Calmps. We offer wingnut and peanut style clamps for your food and bev to secure the pipes together. We even have our pressure vessel type version for more of a safety type fitting for a high pressure line. All of these can be purchased here in the United States. We also have gaskets, other types of ferrules, other type of weld fittings to meet your food and bev and pharmaceutical needs. Data centers are really popular right now. I believe Dave's got a data center type fitting that we have developed as well.
Yeah, so within the data centers, this is more of the liquid-cooled data centers. Mm-hmm. There could be city water, seawater. There could also be the glycol. The glycol typically specifies the pharmaceutical, and that's where we see the Tri-Calmps and the ferrules. And what is unique of ours, and I'm going to talk about product after I spoke of applications, but we coin our Tri-Calmps so that we can ensure the same amount of pressure around the entire circumference. And then with the other methods of cooling, seawater, city water, we do offer a flat face style as well as a straight through. So the flat face, if you're near the electronics, when you disconnect, you don't have to worry about spillage into the electronics and damaging. Okay, there can be some restriction of flow. You'll have a pressure drop. That's why we do offer a straight through version as well. But we do color code a red for the hot return line, blue for the cold line. So like many others, we're very much interested in the data centers and the opportunities it's presenting.